Okay, it's started. Okay. Okay, look. To solve this problem, you need to take two numbers from the user. And in the last class, we have seen already that how we can take the inputs from the user, right? Using scanf function
Mm, yeah, I kind of
as
forgot what scanf function does.
okay. So just turn off the screen. Share. I'm
Turn it
sharing.
off. You want me to like stop
Oh,
share?
okay. Look, I'm opening the question. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. There's an announcement that you need to solve all the problems by taking the input from the user or using scanf. Without scanf or taking the input from the user, your solution on success. Look, there is 10 problems, and for all the problems, the input you need to take from the user using scanf. So in this problem, we have seen that we need to do the arithmetic operation between two numbers, that is 10 and 20. That means we need to take these two numbers from the user using scanf. Can you tell me what is the data type of 10?
The data type of 10.
Yeah,
Data type.
10 is
And
integer number or fractional number? Which one?
I think is an integer.
Integer. Okay. So that means the data type of 10 is integer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So as it is the integer type number, so we need to declare a variable integer a for storing 10. And we need to declare another integer variable to store 20. And I can say it's b. Got it?
Okay.
Or I can use two integer in different line. No problem. No problem. I can write it in same line because these two variables are same in data types. The data types of A is integer and the data types of B is integer. That's why I can write in same line. Okay, now I need to take the inputs of A and B, or I can say the value of A and B need to take from the user. So writing the scanf function. Why it is called a scanf function? Why it is called a function? Can you tell me?
The scanf. Why it's called the scanf function?
Yeah. Why it's called function?
Because it's like one of those like type of functions like it's like one of like those main things like the the one that like inputs like the what is it called again?
Look. Okay. Look. When I'm calling it as variable and I'm calling it as function, the difference between in variable there is no parenthesis or brackets. But when I'm calling scanf as a function, it has bracket on the right side, right?
Yeah, okay.
That's why it is called function. Look, main is another function. Scanf is a function. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, to take the number from the user, we need to use a format specifier for the data types. Like we are going to take the inputs for the integer type. So we need to use the format specifier of integer, that is percentage %d. After that, comma, then ampersand, and for which variable we are going to take the input for a. Look this line. Is everything clear to you?
Yeah, like mostly, I guess.
Okay. So we have already write for the a variable, the scanf function. Now again we need to write the scanf function for b variable. So as the b variable is integer type, I just change the variable name b. Is it clear?
Yeah, that's pretty clear.
Okay. Now I have the values. Look, I have the values a and b. Now I just do the operation. Which operations? Arithmetic operations between these two numbers. We have five arithmetic operator: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So to store the value of addition of these two numbers, look, as an example, you have one bucket. Like there is red color, as an example, red color, and you have another brackets. Like you have which color? Like white color, white color. If I tell you to mix these two colors and store it another bracket, so do I need another bracket to mix them?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So as same, we are going to add two numbers 10 and 20. To store the result, we need another variable, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's why I'm declaring another variable called, you can say add, no problem. Add. Now a plus b. And now I will print this result. Percentage d, comma, add. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm giving the values in the test box. The input format is 1020. I can copy this 1020 by clicking in this button, on this button, and paste it 1020 and just run the code. Look, I'm got my result. That is the addition of these two numbers, right?
Yeah.
But there is a problem, which like look at the first line. Before 30, we have some text, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see it.
Before writing the 30, we have some text, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Add.
So add, yeah. So we are going to add this text before 30. I repeat, we need to add this text before 30. And in my code, where the 30 is printing,
It's
or
like in percentage D.
percentage d, yeah, instead of percentage d, 30 is printing. So as we need to write this text before 30, so we will add it before percentage d. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now run the code. Look,
And
great,
equal.
30. Now I have another clarification in line number 6 and 7. Look, in line number 4, as it is, both are integer type. Both are integer type. That's why we don't need to write multiples time that integer a, integer b. We just write integer ab. In the same way, why we need to write scanf multiples times, as it is the data type of these two variables are same. So we can write another percentage d here, and this percentage d is for the b. That's why putting comma here and write percentage b, and just remove the line. Is it okay to you?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Now right, run the code. Same output, right?
Mhm.
And we can check
Mhm.
by 10, 200, no problem. It's 210. Okay, Ayaz,
Yeah.
is it okay? 210.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Look,
Yeah.
how it's working. Just see. When we're taking the input 10 in for from the user, it's coming in percentage d. And from this percentage d, this value is storing in a variable. Again, this 200 is storing in this percentage d, second percentage d. From there, it's storing in b variable. After that, in line number 8, the addition operation a plus b, and 210 is storing in this add variable. And after that, in line number 10, we just print it. This is the mechanism behind the scene.
Mhm. Okay.
Did you understand?
Yeah, I understand most of it.
Okay, now just write the another calculation. After that, integer subtraction, integer sub, the short form of subtraction, or you can use n by your own variable. Like we are using integer s, no problem. So look here, the subtraction is minus 10. Can you say as
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
if I want to get minus 10 from 10 and 20, how can I get it?
You
Just tell
just
me.
subtract 10.
10 minus 20 or 20 minus 10?
Like 20 minus 10.
20 minus 10?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, because you have to make it equal to like 10.
It's minus 10. Look carefully. It's minus 10, not the 10. It's minus 10. If you subtract 20 minus 10, you will get
Okay.
only 10,
Yeah.
right? As because 20 is greater than 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to subtraction between 10 and 20, like 10 minus 10, 10 minus 20. Then I will get minus 10.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, I will write a minus b or b minus 10, b minus a. Which line I should write in s variable? Which one?
Wait. So which um so you just like write it here. A minus B.
A minus b. Why?
Because that's gonna be like that's gonna like make the two input numbers subtract
Okay.
because A is like 10 and B is 20.
Okay. That's why you are going to write a minus b, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your answer is correct. A minus b. Look, without mathematics, programming is nothing. I repeat, without mathematics, programming is nothing. So, if you want to grow in programming, you need to grow in mathematics first. You need to be more serious in mathematics in your class or Olympiad, Math Olympiad. Did you hear this name, Math Olympiad?
No, I've never heard.
Okay. Okay, you will hear after some days in your school. Okay. After that, the multiplication. When I will get 200 from this 10 and 20? By which operation?
So you want multiplication?
Multiplication. 10 and 20, I will get 200.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like for storing the multiplication result, I can give another variable name like m. And what should I write here? Just tell me.
A times 20. I mean A times B.
A times b. Yeah. A times b.
Mm. So the next one is int
Okay.
like division.
Okay, next one is division. Integer d equal, what should I write here?
A divided by B.
Y. Why not b divided by a?
Oh yeah, B divided by A because you can. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so B divided by A.
Look, the result is 0. Can you see here? As
Yeah,
the
yeah.
result is 0 here. Okay. So if I divide b by a, that means something like that, 20 by 10. What the result of this division?
0.
0. Sorry.
Yes, it's
Look, 2 times 10, right?
mm-hmm.
So the result is 2.
But we needed to get it.
If
We
I
need to get
divide,
it to 0.
if I divide 20 by 10, it's giving me 2. But the result is 0 here. Can you see? That means b divided by a is not correct, right?
B di- yeah, yes.
Okay, now let's try a divided by b. A divided by.
So that's 10 divided by 20. So
20.
that's gonna be
Okay.
0, I think.
Yeah. No, you need to do the calculation or you need to print the result according to this output format every time. You need to follow this output format. If I don't give you the output format, you need to the division A divided by B or B divided by A. Which one is comfort for you? But as I have given the output format, you need to follow the output format for sure. Okay, as
Okay.
output format means when I will run your code by giving the values 10 and 20, the output must be same as the output format here. Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Good. Look, the division of 10 and 20. So as it is 0 and 0, I can skip 0, this 0, 0. That means 1 divided by 2. If I divide 1, I will get 0.50, right?
Yeah.
And we can write 0.5 here. As the in calculator, if you write 0.50, you will see the 0.5. 1 divided by 2. You will get 0.5. 0.5 means 0.50. Now, the
Mm-hmm.
problem is 0.5 is a fractional value. 0.5. Which data type it is? Is it
So,
integer?
yeah, no.
No. 0.5 is fractional number. It's not integer. Integer means পূর্ণ সংখ্যা যেখানে কোনো দশমিক সংখ্যা নাই. But it has. So that means it's not integer. What's the data type of 0.5?
The data type. I still don't understand really know what a data type is.
No. I have finished the data type part in previous class, right? Integer, float, character. Is it?
I don't know.
Okay. Just share the screen.
Share my screen. Okay.
Yeah. Share the screen.
No, I shouldn't be sharing.
Okay. Now go to the Google.
Google.
Yeah. And ask Google the data type of 0.5. Just ask data type of Google. Or you can write what is the data type of 0.5. Okay. Wait. It's not giving the actual result, right? Scroll down. Data type of 0.5. Yeah.
Me.
Okay. Which search engine it is? Yahoo, right?
Yeah.
Google, I think.
Of Google.
Okay. Yeah. I think you need to search google.com. Google.com just. No, no, no. Go to this search bar. Go to the search bar. Just write google.com. Google.com. .com. Make it space. No, after the google.com, you need to make it space. So the remaining text will be removed. Yeah. Now hit enter. Yeah. Now write in this box, search box, the data type of 0.5. Okay, look, just write the line. Just read the line.
It's either a flow or a double.
Jabal. But when written as a literal, look, forget about the next line from the but. So we can understand this from this result, either it is float or double.
Uh-huh.
So as the decimal point is just 1 0.5 after the point, the decimal point is 1, মানে হচ্ছে দশমিকের পর just এক ঘর আছে. That's why it is float number,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, right.
Did you understand why it is float? You may ask me a question if you are confused.
Yeah, I definitely am a little confused. Like, what is a
Oh,
floater?
okay. Forget about the double. Forget about double.
Okay.
Integer is a non-fractional value like 25, 10 is integer, right?
Okay. Yeah.
যেখানে কোনো দশমিক নাই, that is called integer number, পূর্ণ সংখ্যা. And when you will get a fractional value that has point like 12.25, 10.25, 30.69, that means it is they are the fractional value, right?
Hmm.
And that is called float data type. Float, float, float. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now just of sharing, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Okay, so look the example again. In 0.5, as it is the float number, if I store this 0.5 in integer variable, integer data type will say I can't store any fractional value. I repeat, when you will store a fractional value in integer data type, the integer data type will say to this number, your floating point number, I can't store you. I can just store your integer part. Can you tell me which one is the integer part of the 0.5?
0.
0, right? Exactly, 0. That means when you will store this 0.5 in any integer variable, the variable will store only the 0, not the 0.5. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Ah, yes, is it okay?
Yeah, I guess it's so far pretty.
Okay, now just write A divided by B. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So after that, the modulus operation. Okay. Look, modulus means reminder. When you are trying to divide 10 divided by 2, you will get 5, right?
Hmm.
How it's 5?
Because
It's,
whenever 10 split into two groups is 5.
yeah, 5 times 2, right?
Yeah.
That means 10 minus 10 is 0. Did you
Mm.
understand this calculation?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, here 5 call বাংলা এটাকে বলে ভাগফল, or I can say the result, division result, and this is called reminder. বাংলায় যেটাকে বলে ভাগশেষ, reminder. When you divide a number, you will get two answers. One is result, division result. Another one is reminder. And I can calculate this result, division result, using the division operator. But if I want to print or if I want to get the reminder, I need to use the modulus operator. That is look like that, modulus operator. Just you need to write, just put 2 0 here, or you can say circle or O, anything. But in programming, we just write like that way. Okay. As
Mm-hmm.
okay. So to print or store the result of modulus of 10 and 20, we can give a name of variable like mod,
Okay.
a mod b, or a modulus baby. Look, that is another mathematical concept. 10 modulus b. Sorry. 10 modulus by 20. 10 modulus by 20. So 10 modulus by 20. That means we need to divide 10 by 20. We need to divide this 10 by 20. And remember one thing, when you divide a small number by a big number, then, or when you divide a small number by a big number, the modulus result will be that small number. This is a shortcut technique to understand. I repeat,
Mm.
when you are going to calculate the modulus operation and you can see that 10 modulus by 20, meaning we need to divide this 10 by 20, and after that we need to calculate the remainder. So if you write that way 10 by 20 and you are saying that you are going to divide a small number by a big number, that means the modulus result will be this small number. Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
That and that's why the result is modulus equal 20. Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Great. So our calculation for all the arithmetic operators is ready. Now we just need to print the result here. So backslash n, we can copy this line and then subtraction before minus 10, and in which variable the result is storing of the subtraction operation. Which
Um,
variable?
percentage D.
Sorry?
I think it's percentage D.
No. I'm asking you in which variable you are storing the result of the subtraction of A and B.
The result of the subtraction? Which variable was the result? I'm a little confused. There's no they don't really show the result. It's more just a question.
Look at the line number 9
Mm-hmm.
and try to understand.
Like I can see the question, but I can't, and like what it is, but I don't see any result. It's more of just a question. It doesn't really show the result in any way.
Look, in the second line, you need to print the subtraction of A and B, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is the output. Okay. In which line we did this operation?
In which line we did this operation? Line 9.
Line 9. Okay. In line 9, we are calculating the A minus B. So, after calculating, in which variable we are storing the result?
Like the like thing with like the dot and then the like comma looking thing. The dot and then below like the comma looking thing.
Okay, look. In line number 14, forget about this line. Line number 14, why you are writing add here? Just tell me.
Line number 14. Why already? Cause you have to print out like the adding the adding like question so that they know which integer question to like put. Because add was the name for that one.
Okay, just change the variable name to addition. So if I want to print this variable value, so in here, what I'm going to write, what I should write here, if I print the value of the addition, Ayaz,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, just look. You need to print just the variable name
Yeah. Okay.
because you are going to print the result of of this operation. Look, after calculating the addition, you are storing the result in this addition variable, right?
Yeah.
Just look simply when you write a equal or any variable name, any variable like Ayaz, AYAZ, right?
Yeah.
If I want to store something in Ayaz, that means Ayaz is a variable name, and I want to store some mathematical concept into the Ayaz or in Ayaz. I just need to write the equal sign and
And
what
the equation.
I should store in IS that I will write here. Is it okay?
Yeah, I understand it now.
Okay. That means when I am writing integer addition equal to a plus b, that means after calculating this addition, the result of this addition is storing into this variable addition. It's simple. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
That's why I'm writing addition, because I want to print the result of this addition in here, percentage D. That's why.
Okay.
So now tell me, if I want to print the result like that, that means the subtraction result, printf sub equal to percentage D backslash n. Now, what should I write here?
I'm not sure. Okay. So sub, I guess. You can write
Now,
sub.
why sub
As,
here? Sub is a text just.
yeah, so I
Sub is
guess
a text just. You need to write the variable name which is
S.
storing the result of the subtraction.
So that's S, right?
Just S, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you did it. Best of luck, bro. Okay, just now you need to print the multiplication result. So now write printf multiplication multiplication. Okay, multiplication equal percentage d. What should I write here? Just tell me.
You forgot to put like the N thing.
Sorry,
The N, like the N for like the other line.
m.
The
Why
N,
m?
because you need it for like another line, don't you? That's slash N.
Slash m. Why? I want to print the result of the multiplication instead of the percentage d. So in which variable the multiplication result is storing?
M.
In m. So why you are telling n? It's
And
m.
beside the percentage, you're supposed to put like that slash N, like the
No.
slash N thing, aren't you?
Okay.
This, I'll type it in the chat. You're supposed to put that beside the percentage D.
Oh, you were saying the backslash n. No, 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 no. It's not the backslash n. Yeah, I need to write a backslash n after the percentage d. But the question was that for printing the multiplication result, which variable I will use here? Okay. I need to use the backslash n for to create the new line here. It totally okay. But the question was, I will print the value of the multiplication. That's why I am writing percentage d. But for this percentage d, I need a variable after the comma. And the question was which variable I should write here. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, after the multiplication, it will be the division. 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 Okay. Percentage d backslash n. Okay, tell me the variable name.
D.
D. Did I any mistake? No. Printf modules modulus equal to percentage d, comma, tell me the variable name as
Um, mod.
mod. Okay, it's great. Now just try to run the code. Okay, look, the in the problem statement, the output format and
Oh,
the
you forgot.
output of my code, as it is same, as it is same.
Your input like that STDIN.
Oh,
It's
oh,
that.
sorry, sorry. I need to input the 10 and 20.
Yeah, there you
Okay,
go.
now it is okay.
Yeah.
Okay, So now just look the code for 1 or 2 minutes and ask yourself, did you understand or not?
I think
Okay.
I understand
And
perfect.
if you have any question, you may ask me. Just look 1 or 2 minutes carefully, because if you understand this solution, this huge concept, variable concept, input concept, arithmetic operator concept, printing concept, there's number of concept. So look 1 or 2 minutes and ask me a question if you have.
I think I understand.
Okay, yes. Is it okay?
Yes, okay.
Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. Now, I will not start any new topic today. Your task is, okay, I'm going to the course outline. Where's the outline? Yes, here. Can you open this outline, or did you find this course outline?
I haven't.
Okay, just go to Yahoo or Google and write code with Ridoy C programming private batch. If you search on it in Google or Yahoo, you will get this result: code with Ridoy C programming private batch.
Or with Redo
Enter
IC
this
programming part.
private batch, yeah. And after coming into this page, just scroll down and you will see a button course outline. Did you see it?
I'm just going to. Yes, yeah.
Okay, just open this course outline. Just click on this button.
Course outline. Okay.
Okay, now look, till now you have completed this concept from class 1 and basic arithmetic operators. Your task is from this class, you will just finish the class record of the previous class and today's class and revise all of the topics from here to here till
Okay.
arithmetic operators, and ask me any question if you have tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just revise the concepts and ask me the question, and tomorrow I will start a new topic. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Ayaz.
Um,
Is there any question from today's class?
nope, not really.
Okay, Ayaz. Good night
Good night.
for you. Okay.